Why are immigrants leaving the UK? For generations, the UK has been a dream destination, an island full of opportunity, rich culture, and the promise of a better life. Yet in recent years, something unexpected has been happening. More and more immigrants who once arrived with excitement are quietly packing their bags and moving on. Not because the UK isn't welcoming or full of potential, but because day-to-day life has become harder to navigate. From rising costs to the search for better opportunities elsewhere, many are rethinking their future in Britain. So what's really driving this shift? Rising cost of living. Ask almost anyone living in the UK today, local or newcomer, and they'll tell you the same thing. Everything has gotten more expensive. The cost of groceries, rent, electricity, and basic services has risen faster than many people's wages, making everyday budgeting a serious challenge. For immigrants who arrive hoping to build savings, support families back home, or start a fresh chapter, the gap between income and expenses can feel overwhelming. The UK remains one of the most attractive places in the world, but the financial pressure has changed how people experience daily life. Even those working full-time sometimes find it difficult to progress financially. When newcomers do the math and realise that their hard-earned income stretches further in another country, many begin exploring alternatives. This isn't about a lack of appreciation for the UK. It's simply a response to the reality of rising living costs. And for families trying to plan for the long term, affordability matters more than ever. High housing costs and limited availability. Finding a place to live should be a simple part of settling into a new environment. Instead, the UK's housing market has become one of the most challenging hurdles for newcomers. Rents in many towns and cities have climbed significantly, and competition for good, affordable homes can be intense. People often attend viewings with dozens of other applicants, and securing a property can feel like winning a lottery. For immigrants starting fresh, this adds layers of stress, especially for families seeking space, safety, and stability. Even smaller towns that used to offer cheaper rents have seen increases driven by demand and population growth. When so much of one's income goes toward housing, it limits the ability to save, invest, or enjoy life more fully. It's no surprise that some immigrants compare the UK's housing costs with those in countries offering larger homes and lower rents, and decide to relocate. It's not about dissatisfaction with British life, but a practical decision about comfort, stability, and financial balance. Slow progression in some job sectors. Many immigrants arrive with impressive qualifications, deep experience, and a determination to succeed. But as countless newcomers discover, building a career in the UK isn't always straightforward. Some industries require recertification, and certain foreign qualifications aren't automatically recognised. This can hold people back from reaching the roles they're qualified for, forcing them to start again in lower-paying positions. Even for those working hard and climbing steadily, progression can feel slow. Some sectors offer limited advancement unless you have specific UK experience or training. This creates frustration, not because people aren't capable, but because the system takes time to navigate. Over time, many compare their prospects in the UK with opportunities in countries where pathways are clearer and faster. The desire to grow, achieve more, and provide the best for one's family is universal. When immigrants realise they might reach their goals sooner elsewhere, onward migration becomes an appealing choice. It's not a judgment on the UK workforce, rather, it's a reminder that career journeys aren't always linear, and that people naturally gravitate toward environments where their skills shine brightest. Complex work and visa requirements. The UK's visa system is structured, detailed, and often updated. While this ensures accountability and order, it also means immigrants must carefully navigate paperwork, renewals, fees, income thresholds, and sponsorship conditions. For many, these processes are manageable but stressful. especially when long-term stability depends on consistently meeting every requirement. This uncertainty can weigh heavily on individuals and families who simply want to plan their futures. The fear of falling short due to income changes, employer transitions, or administrative delays creates anxiety. Although the UK remains a popular destination, some people prefer countries with simpler routes to residency or citizenship. Living in Britain is still a rewarding experience for millions, but the administrative journey can influence long-term decisions. Immigrants often choose environments where they feel more secure, where rules are easier to follow, and where their residency path feels predictable. It's not the complexity alone that matters. It's the emotional weight that comes with it. Pressure on public services. Britain's public services, especially the NHS and school system, have long been admired around the world. But in recent years, rising demand has created longer waiting times and stretched resources, affecting both locals and newcomers. Getting a GP appointment can take weeks. Finding school placements in highly populated areas can be complicated. Everyday services that once felt accessible now require more patience and planning. For immigrants trying to build stable routines for their families, these challenges become part of the overall decision-making process. Many still appreciate the reliability and quality of British services, but the strain is noticeable. When people compare their experiences with other countries where public systems feel less pressured, they may be tempted to relocate. This isn't a criticism of the UK's institutions, far from it. The NHS remains a global icon, and British education continues to attract thousands of international families. But the sheer demand on services is a reality, and it shapes how immigrants envision their long-term life in the UK. Difficulty finding community. Settling into any new country takes time, but finding a sense of belonging is incredibly important. Some immigrants arrive to neighbourhoods full of diversity, familiar foods, and vibrant cultural communities. Others land in quieter towns where it's harder to connect with people who share their background or interests. Loneliness isn't always discussed openly, but it plays a significant role in migration decisions. Humans thrive on connection. Friendship groups, cultural associations, local gatherings, and shared traditions help people feel grounded. When newcomers struggle to find their place, they can feel isolated even when surrounded by friendly neighbours. This experience varies widely across the UK. Large cities like London, Birmingham, Leeds, or Manchester tend to offer diverse communities where newcomers integrate easily. But in areas with fewer immigrant populations, the cultural gap feels wider. Over time, some choose to relocate to countries where their cultural groups are more established, or where they already have friends and family. It's not that the UK is unwelcoming. Many immigrants speak warmly about the kindness they encounter. It's simply that community shapes emotional well-being, and people naturally seek environments where they feel fully at home. Weather and lifestyle preferences. Let's be honest, the UK weather has a personality of its own. Grey skies, long rainy stretches, and early winter sunsets catch many newcomers off guard, especially those coming from warm, sunny regions. While locals are used to it and even find charm in the shifting seasons, immigrants often struggle to adjust. Weather doesn't just affect mood, it shapes lifestyle. People from sunnier climates often enjoy outdoor socialising, long evening walks, or simply waking up to bright skies. When winter sets in and the daylight hours shrink, some feel their energy dip. The pace of life in Britain is also fast, with work routines that can feel intense compared to more laid-back cultures. These factors don't drive everyone away, but they do influence how people feel about long-term living in the UK. For some, the charm of Britain's cosy winters and autumn colours grows over time. For others, the draw of sunshine and a slower lifestyle elsewhere becomes too strong to resist. It's a personal preference, but a common one. Better opportunities elsewhere. Perhaps the most important factor, and the simplest, is opportunity. The modern world is more connected than ever, and skilled workers now compare countries freely based on work options, living standards, and long-term stability. When immigrants realise they can earn more, save more, or progress faster in another country, it becomes difficult to ignore. This trend, known as onward migration, is well documented. Some immigrants aren't returning to their home countries. They're moving from the UK to Canada, Germany, Australia, or the Middle East, where job sectors match their ambitions, salaries stretch further, or residency rules feel more straightforward. This doesn't mean the UK lacks opportunity, far from it. Britain remains a global hub for education, business, healthcare, hospitality, and creative industries. But when the balance of cost, career, and lifestyle tips in favour of another place, many decide to take the leap. In the end, people move for one core reason. They're searching for the best possible life for themselves and their families. And in a world full of choices, mobility is easier than ever. Immigrants leaving the UK aren't rejecting the country. They're responding to changing realities. Rising costs, slower career paths, and the draw of better prospects elsewhere all play a part. People move toward opportunity, stability, and belonging. And for many, that next chapter simply unfolds beyond Britain's shores. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.